Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Maziwhyte, and if this is the first time you're watching my video, please I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button and leave a comment, all right, so that you get notified every time I upload a video on this channel. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at how to start affiliate marketing without a website, how you can actually run your affiliate marketing business on the internet without a website. Now I come to understand that in most cases newbie affiliates do not have the technical skill on how to run a website, nor and in most cases they don't have the fund to pay for a website, all right. And it discourages a lot of beginners from getting into the game, all right. When I started affiliate marketing, I didn't have technical skill. I didn't know how to run a website, all right. But I learned one thing. I began with what I had ready available with me. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing without a website, using what is available to you, all right. And with that you start making your affiliate commissions and start earning money on online. So I encourage you to follow me straight to my computer screen, and I'm going to show you several platforms on which you can share your affiliate link, creating content and sharing your affiliate links and having making affiliate commissions, all right. Thank you and God bless you as we go straight to my computer screen. All right, welcome to my screen. Now to do affiliate marketing without a website, the first place you go is youtube.com, all right. And if you don't have a YouTube account, go and create your own account, all right. Create your channel and begin to load your channel with content that has to do with the offers that you are promoting. You can see that I have a YouTube channel, and this is where I promote my affiliate offers. And that, I tell you, over time I've made a handful of sales using YouTube, and there are thousands of people out there who are using YouTube to promote their affiliate offers, thousands of them, all right. And they are crushing it using YouTube. And within your content on YouTube, having created your content on YouTube, go ahead and leave your affiliate links below your videos, and I tell you that your visitors are going to click on that link and they are just going to take action. There are several channels on YouTube doing this, all right. There are several channels on YouTube doing this, and this is what I am also doing right now, all right. So this is one way for you to do affiliate marketing without a website. The second way to do affiliate marketing without a website is through Facebook, all right. You can go to Facebook, create your Facebook page and create your Facebook group, and within your groups you share values, all right. You teach, you invite people to your group, and you show them how to do affiliate marketing. You teach them how to do affiliate marketing, and you give out values, things like ebook, things like PDF, teaching them how to scale their online business, all right. I also encourage you to look for other groups, all right. Make money groups, affiliate groups. Join those groups, invite people to your own group, share value in those groups, all right. And I tell you, what you're doing is just gonna scale, all right. Your business is just gonna scale. This is where we all started from, and I tell you, it's been an exciting one. So you can use your Facebook page, create a Facebook group, use your Facebook profile and promote your offers, thereby building your affiliate marketing online business. So I encourage you to go to YouTube and find out how to do affiliate marketing with your Facebook page, or how to create a Facebook group, and how to do affiliate marketing using Facebook groups, Facebook page and Facebook profile, all right. So Facebook is a great one, and I tell you, millions of people everyday hangout on Facebook, and you can reach your audience through this platform. And the third place that you can go, is using this online email marketing provider called GetResponse. You can use GetResponse. GetResponse is a software that helps you to build your marketing funnels. All right, you can build your email automation, do your landing pages, do your marketing automation, your conversion funnels, and thereby building your online business. In other words, GetResponse help you to build your online business, build your affiliate marketing online business, and capture emails. You capture emails without having a website. You capture emails, and I tell you, email marketing is not dead. Email marketing is quite thriving, and it's a phenomenal market. All right, it's a phenomenal market. It's an avenue for you to promote your offers and make sales. All right, so with GetResponse, you don't need a website. All you need is the link to your landing page, where you capture the emails of your visitors and your prospects, and sustain a relationship with them, create a relationship and trust with them, and over time you're going to be raking in your sales. All right, so try out GetResponse, and in this video I'm going to be leaving the link. My affiliate link to GetResponse, and I encourage you to click on that link and sign up with GetResponse, and you're going to have a particular discount. And for GetResponse, you have 30 days free before you commence you start anything with them. In other words, you have 30 days to use GetResponse, and if you're satisfied, you can go ahead and pay for a particular package, and it's not quite expensive. All right, GetResponse starts for like $15. All right, for like $15 you can use for a beginner, you can use this great email service software. All right, I'm going to be leaving the link in this video. All right, and finally, another place that you can go and do your affiliate marketing without a website is to use your WhatsApp. I tell you, WhatsApp is a huge platform. All right, you can do WhatsApp marketing, promoting your affiliate link, creating content, promoting your content using your WhatsApp with your affiliate links. I tell you, the first sales I made in affiliate marketing, I made it using WhatsApp. I made quite a huge sale using my WhatsApps to promote my offers. I tell you, it's a huge phenomenal platform. All right, so on these platforms you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Now, I'm not really now the fact that website is important while doing your affiliate marketing. No, after a while, go ahead and get a website. All right, where people meet you, people visit you, people create a relationship with you through your website, where you promote your brand. All right, where you promote your brand, where you tell your stories using your website. So for now, if you're a beginner, this is a good start for you. This is where we all started. All right, and in case you're new into affiliate marketing, or you're starting off with affiliate marketing, you don't know how to do it, or even though you're a professional, you've been in it for long and you've not made sales, I'm going to be leaving a link below this video, the link to a particular training called the 72 income generator system. All right, I tell you, this is the best affiliate marketing training that you can come across anywhere in the world. This training is fail proof, is a proven training that would hold you by the hand and teach you how to do affiliate marketing, and to do it with results. Okay, in a matter of days, you're gonna have results doing affiliate marketing. You're going to be raking in affiliate commissions doing affiliate marketing. This very system took me by the hand and showed me how to do affiliate marketing, and I tell you, I'm enjoying affiliate marketing. All right, and this training is going to leave sample web pages for you, like email copies and landing page samples for you that you can also use to create your marketing funnels. Okay, click on the link below this video and go check out. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go right now, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. God bless you. See you in my next video. Cheers.